This presentation is a follow-up to a presentation that was done earlier regarding the development of a diabetes registry. This week's presentation covers creating views using that registry. As a simple background, a database was created for a diabetic registry, and the following factors were included as basic measures for tracking progress with the management of diabetes: the A1C, FBS or fasting blood sugar, weight, and blood pressure. The four selected factors were each placed into separate tables for integration with a table which included basic patient demographics. This week, the patient's sex was added to those demographics in order to create the files that were requested. The medical record number was designated as the prime key to assist with integrating the records and preserving the integrity of the database. The following slides demonstrate the creation of the 5 tables in SQL. A1C, fasting blood sugar, patient weight, and blood pressures, as well as a simple patient demographics. After creating the 5 tables, the insert command was used to populate the data into the tables, and a sample follows on the next slide. Having created a very basic database of only 20 patients, the author was able to create views of to look at the overall range of A1Cs. The following slides illustrate the statement that was used and the resulting view. As you will see, we requested that the system pull only those patients with an A1C of 6.5 or higher. Having created a table with all of the A1C data compiled, the author then created a second view with data for only female patients. The following slides show the statement that was created and the subsequent view of the data, and it should be noted that the A1Cs were listed in descending order. An additional view was created to illustrate the A1Cs for male patients. The following slides show the statement that was used to create the view and the view itself, and again, that information was provided in descending order. As stated earlier, the medical record number was used as the prime key for joining data from different tables. The author now understands that views could be created for information from the other 3 tables that were created in the initial assignment, or that specific data could be pulled from those tables and integrated with information from other tables. This concludes the presentation and lists the references that were used this week.